All right, folks, I got the quickest, easiest lawn striping kit for your push mower. You won't believe it. When I said quickest and easiest, I meant it. Go buy yourself a broom, a cheap one, with a cheap metal handle, and then you need a bungee. I bent it. I got it exactly where I needed down there. And then I bent it right here and just took a PVC pipe around it, cut the end off the handle, and then I bent it right around here. And you can see I just duct taped it. I just duct taped it to itself underneath, wrapped it around a couple times. And as you can see, we got this lawn striping kit. And you're gonna see how stinking awesome this thing works. I'll show you real quick. All right, this is what we're working with. Underneath, I wrapped a bungee to the main frame, up around the outside of the broom, and then back underneath to the other side. Now, the trick with this is the broom has to sit right underneath the back of the mower. And I did already mow the front. It worked pretty well. You also have to wrap the flap up so that the flap doesn't get in the way. And then take it up, wrap it around, and you should be good to go. Now, this thing does not go in reverse very well, but it goes forward perfectly. And wait till you see the stripes on this grass that we're gonna have here. It's gonna be stinking beautiful. Check out those stripes. Pretty nice. It's a little tough to see on camera, but it worked really well. As you can see, my daughters wanted to help as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, check out my other videos, and yeah, I'll catch you on the flippity flip.